So you're onto a good thing. Don't stop now. Time to learn how digitization can not only save you time and brain power, but quite literally help you bring in customers while you sleep. The tool that we're delving into today is the Email Autoresponder. This is defined as an email message or messages sent automatically to a customer or mailing list based on specific rules at predetermined times or in certain situations. Bit of a mouthful? Well, let's check out some examples. A customer subscribes to your mailing list and receives an automatic welcome email and discount on their first purchase. A customer puts products into their cart on your website but leaves without making a purchase. They receive an auto email 1 hour later that gives them a little nudge to return and finish off. You take stock of a new product and send out an auto email to alert your customer base. So why use them? Well, apart from saving you time typing out email after email, autoresponders also help eliminate human input and human error. The use of a time-based autoresponder will help you to plan your messaging in advance and ensure that private customer information, for example email addresses, are not accidentally shared with a mass number of people. Autoresponders could be one of your most prized assets if used correctly. So what are the best ways to use them? You can use them to help turn new visitors into subscribers. You can schedule emails to be sent out with offers that entice the visitors to submit more information in exchange for offers, quotations, or a no-obligation consultation. You may ask for their date of birth for birthday offers, address details to suggest a physical store in their area, or interest for a special offer tailored to them. The key here is to get creative. Also, to help build long-term relationships. Subscribers need to hear from your business frequently. This helps build trust. Just make sure that they in some way benefit from your email. Put yourself in their shoes and think about what would be of most value to you. Also, to increase your productivity, invest a little time and effort up front, and before you know it, you'll have a month's worth of communications panned out and scheduled to be sent out automatically, as well as comms that can be sent out on a scenario-specific basis. No need to hire someone day-to-day to do it for you. Also, to grow into a trusted expert. Use these automated emails to direct subscribers to video channels, blogs, social media platforms, and even other businesses or organizations you support. By doing this, you'll be seen as knowing your stuff, and then they'll look to your business as the expert in the field. Moral of the story, setting these helpful little things up should be near the top of your to-do list.